Good morning, students. I am Dr. Hare Kumar, PGT Computer Science, JNB Golaghat. Today I have brought a string manipulation in Python for you. So let us start our discussion regarding string manipulation in Python. Yes, a string in Python. You have curiosity in your mind that what is a string? A string in Python are a sequence of characters enclosed within single or double quotes. Every character in the sequence has a unique index starting from 0 or -1, -n, and ends at n-1 slash -1 index. If there are n characters in the string, for example, in X assignment characters, the starting index is 0 and the last index is 9 or -1. See here, this is the this is known as the forward index. This is known as the forward index, which starts from 0 and goes up to n-1, where n is the number of character. And backward index number starts from -1 here and it goes up to the last one. So all the operation will be done based on or using this index number, so you have to be clear of it. Okay, let us move forward. Here, traversal of a string means processing a string one character at a time. First thing is traversal of a string. Traversal of a string means processing of one string or one character at a time. Here, okay, and see here, suppose this is your string and for z in x this will give here print z in here, this will give you the output like this. And if the use same string y, or if you want to take the length of it and using this one, a for loop for z in range 0 y, so what will happen if you print x z and ends in the separator, this will give you the character like this. Based on this one, this starts from an index 0 and goes up to the length y, because we have taken the length through this method. Length x is a string here and we have taken the length of x into y, and so what will happen, it will start from 0 and goes up to y, and this way it will print here. Okay, I think many examples you will have in your books, so from there you will get more of exercise. You will be doing more of exercise. If you have any problem related to this, you will call me. Okay, now the next, a string operation. This is very important. Two string operators are here. One is plus operator, another is multiplication operator. Concatenation operator, this is also known as concatenation operator. Concatenate, it means we combine the two or more strings using plus operators. So concatenates two operands, okay, to form a new string. For example, x, y. X is computer and y is science. And if you add x plus y into z and print z, this will give you computer science. So what it has done here, it has combined the two string, first computer and another science, as one string, that is computer science. Second example here, a string replication operator. This replicates the a string. It creates copies of the string equal to the number multiplied to the string. What happens here? A string is multiplied by the number given here. See example, x is a string here, and print x into 2, x into 2. What it has done? Computer is a string and it has been multiplied by 2. So 2 times it has been replicated or printed here. See here, 2 into x, same thing here, computer 2 times this has been printed, because we have multiplied here the string by 2. So that's why it has given. If we multiplied this by 5, this will print the computer 5 times. Okay, so this is all about the string operators, uh, concatenation operator especially, and this replication operator. Okay, now membership operators. A string uses membership operators also, or membership operator is useful in handling a string also. In here, in returns true if character or substring exist in the substring. It means a string. It means if you use in, this is a membership operator. If the string or substring you are trying to find out is already there in the string, this will give you or return the value true. If it is not there, then what will happen? This will return you false. See here the first example. J in JNV will return true. Why? Because J is already in the string JNV, so it is true. And next example, Jn in JNV will return false. Why? Jn is already there, but it is returning false. Why? Because this is a case sensitive. Uppercase has another value, and Jn is lowercase has separate ASCII value. That's why, or Unicode value. That's why this is returning false. Not in member operator. Not in returns true if the character or substring doesn't exist in substring. Not in, it means the string you are trying to find out is not there in the string, then this will return true. If it is there, it will return false. See here the example, J not in JNV. J is already there, but here the membership operator states not in, so this returns false. And here J Jn not in JNV will return true. Why? Because Jn is not in JNV. Of course Jn, but this is capital and that is in lowercase, that is a smaller one. So we already know that this is a case sensitive language. Uppercase has separate value and lowercase has separate value. So they do not find it matched. That's why it returns true here. Okay, let us move to the next slide. Here, relational operators. Very good. There are so many relational operators. We already know that less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to. Python compares two strings. If you want to compare two strings, whether they are equal or not, you can use these relational operators, and Python compares two strings through relational operators using character by character comparison of their Unicode values. That's what I was telling you in your previous slides also. Here you see 0 to see here 9, this has this value, and A to Z, this has this value, and A to Z in lowercase. This has this value 97 to 122. This you have to remember also. And now let us take some examples. If we print A is greater than A in first example, A is greater than A, it will give us true because A has ASCII value 97, whereas the capital A has ASCII value 65. So of course 65 is less than 97. And this way, similarly, these calculations are done in every cases. In every example you can see here, based on their ASCII value, the answer has been given as true or false. You can try it on your Android mobile also. Yesterday I have suggested you, don't worry if you don't have laptop and computer, don't worry, install PyDroid app on your smartphone, and there you can write the code and run it. Okay. Yes, now the next, a string slicing. A string slices, if we want to cut substring from a string, we can do it by slicing the string. A string slices refers to the substring extracted from the given string using a range of indices. What is helpful here? To slice the string, that is index number. From particular index number to particular index number, if we want to extract the substring from the given string, we can do it. See here, slice 1, index number is program. The string is program here. A string is program here, and index is, as you know, forward index and backward index. And now we want to slice 1, 0 to 7. 0 to 7 starts index 0, and it goes up to 7, and slice will have character starting from 0 and ending at 6, because last value is not counted, you already know. So what happens, up to 6, this has come program. Up to this value, this will come, and this will give you this answer. Next example, 1 to 5 slash slice 1 to 5, and step is 2. So what happens, starting from 1 ends up to 5, goes up to 5, and step 2. In each step it will move by 2. So this will give you answer RG. Okay, because your index is here at 1 and it will go up to 5. So 5 less than, it takes the one value less than the given value, so it will come up to this position, and the step is 2. So this way what will happen, 1 after 2, it will come here, and this will give you answer, here third, 1 plus 2, 3. So this will print you RG. Okay, I hope you all of you are getting this one. Another slice, here we have taken the same string, that is program, and here we have this one forward index, and this is backward index. Okay, and slice 1 is a bit smaller, 1, and starting 1, end has no value. So what will happen, starting from 1, this will go up to the end. Starting from 1, this will go up to the end. Okay, here we have not taken the initial value but given the last value, so what will happen, the last value 5. A start index is not given, so extract a string will have a character starting 0. By default it will take 0 index, and it will go up to 4th index. So this will be our answer. Okay, now here see here another example. We have a start and last index is not given, step 2. Okay, neither the starting nor the but step has been given, so extracted substring will have given a second characters starting from 0. Okay, so this will what this will starting from 0 at 2 steps. If you count, this will come PORME. So we will get this substring if we execute this. Okay. Now the next, string methods. We have some inbuilt string methods. Okay. Python has many built-in methods to manipulate a string. Python has here, first of all, let us see capitalize. It capitalize this first character of the string. If you use this inbuilt method, this will capitalize the first character of your string. Second one, find of it, it searches the string for a specified value and return the position of the position of the character where it was found. See here, X Python is a program. Here, language y x into capitalize print y and a string og print x dot find a string 1 print x find a string 109. These are some of the examples, and if you run this will give you this following answers. So if you want to try and if you want to confirm it, you can write the same code on your Android mobile Android app, and you can test the answer by running the code. Yes, students, here is al num, is al num, it means it will check whether the given string is alphanumeric. Is al num, it means is alphanumeric. It returns true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric. This will give the value either true or false. At least one character should be there. Is alpha, it will check or it will return if true if all characters in the string are alphabets and there is at least one character. Okay, at least one character must be there, and this will check or return the value if the string is purely alphabet. See here, I have taken many more examples for your concept to be clarified in a better way. See here and see here the examples. Many more examples I have brought for you. X, E, G, F, G. I have taken alphanumeric value here. So what happens? 3-4 strings we have taken here. 3-4 strings we have taken here, and here we have taken based on that only. Here we have taken the is alpha or alpha, and to check the value whether the string is alphanumeric or alpha, and accordingly we have got the answer here. Okay, see here, is lower, very important. We can check whether the case or alphabet given in a string is in lower case or is in upper case. If is in lower case, it will return true, all characters, at least one character should be there, and uppercase it returns true if all the characters used in a string are in uppercase. Okay, so this way we have taken some strings and here some methods to check whether the alphabet string is in uppercase or lowercase. Upper means in capital, lower means in small case. Okay, and this way we have got the answer. You can check each and every example through your mobile set. Okay, is a strip. This is very important. It returns a copy of the string in which all characters have been stripped from the beginning of the string. See here, we have taken a snake python. We have taken a snake python, print x into L strip. L strip means left strip. L strip means left strip. And what happens? Here we have taken SE as an argument. So it has cut the SE and rest of the strip has been printed here. NA. So what happens? Here NA is not there in the left side. So it has been printed like this. NSA. So NSA has been cut here and L strip snake. So what happened? It has cut. Hardly matters in what sequence you have written, but if it comes in the left side, this will be cut and F strip PS snake here. All this has been removed from the string and rest of the part has been printed here. Here YP. So what happened? This has been printed. Okay, all these can be tested. Yes. Now the next one is R strip. It returns a copy of the string in which characters have been stripped from the end of the strings. What happens here? We have taken the same string and example on. So on has been cut from here. No, it means I told you earlier sequence hardly matters. So on has been cut from here. TNO cut has from cut have been cut from here and Tynof here cut from here. Snake, since snake is in the left side, so it has given no effect and this has been printed like this because n has at the end, so n has been cut and NHO. See here the example, whatever was there in the right side was cut and rest of the strip has been or string has been returned. Okay, so this way we can manipulate the string. Thanks for watching and I hope you would have understand my lecture here uh, with illustration, and if you have any doubt, call on me through my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.